What's up guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I am coming to you guys with a silky hair look. For those of you who know me, you guys know I have crazy curly hair. But today I will be showing you guys how I naturally get this hair to get the silky straight. Using, of course, the GKhair taming system. I will show you guys step by step on how I use this to get this look. If you guys would like to know, please keep watching. So I washed my hair with the pH shampoo. This is the pre-step before the actual treatment, which is this. So basically what this shampoo does is it clears all of the dirt, gets rid of all the excess junk that you've put on your hair for the past week, and it opens up your cuticles so the system can go into your hair and actually work. Do you see my hair? It's really curly, guys. I wasn't joking. Now, as I'm applying it, I'm going to work it in my hands and work it into the hair from the root to the tip. I'll grab about that much. I'm grabbing it straight from there. No point in making more of a mess. Work it in to your hair and really massage it in. Okay, so now I'm going to get my blow dryer and I'm going to this one. Alright guys, so now I am going to wash this hair and I'll be right back. You're gonna have a great time blow drying your hair. Like I said guys, this is a process, but it's okay. Now we're gonna start straightening it. Alright, I'm gonna finish the rest of my head and I'll be right back. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with the GKhair serum. Alright guys, so this is the final look using the GKhair taming system. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you don't have this in your hair routine, make sure you get it. For all my curly heads out there, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, adios.